Yum, yum, yum. And fried pompano. And sinigang na pompano and shrimp with spinach. So, in my shrimp, linagay ko dyan is chili oil. Chili oil, fried chili oil in my shrimp. Yun na. Init pa yan. Bula pa lang yan. Spicy chili oil. Yum, yum, yum. And mayroon akong basmati rice. Basmati rice. Ayan. And look at my table. And mayroon akong salad. Cucumber, repolyo salad. Yum, yum, yum. Wait a minute. Ready to come in. Come here, Manang. Come on, hurry up. Mommy is getting ready to eat. Fried pompano, chili oil, shrimp. Yum, yum, yum. Wait a minute. One more. And sinigang pompano with spinach and cabbage. Wang, wang, wang. Let's eat. And of course, hindi yan mawala ang ating pineapple juice. Yan, let's eat, guys. Let's eat. Bless this food, O Lord. About to receive. One more. Oh, my medicine. Bakal na. Yum, yum, yum. Talagang magkamay ako. The best in this basmati rice is hindi mabigat sa tiyan. Hindi katulad sa jasmine rice. Ay, wala pala akong suka, no? Ikakuha muna ako ng suka. Suka na tayo sa ating paritong pompano. Ayan, let's eat. Thank you for watching. Yum, yum, yum.